Was it hard to raise money as a woman entrepreneur? Was it hard to break through the Silicon Valley bro culture that we've heard about?
I mean, of the hundreds of billions of dollars that are raised in venture capital every year, less than 2% of that is allocated to a company that has at least one female founder.
Yeah.
Less than 0.2% of that 2% is allocated to a woman that looks like me. So yeah, it's not, the odds are never in my favor, particularly when you're trying to prove to the world that you can both make money and do good. You know, Copia is not a nonprofit. We're not a NGO. We are a for-profit company that's built proprietary technology to solve both hunger and food waste at scale. So you know, you are combating, I think, a few of the challenges that we had, aside from, you know, the misinformation on liability, was the transportation constraints. Was how are you going to move this food quickly? You know, we charge businesses not to donate their food necessarily, but to essentially be their anti-food waste management solution. You know,
So
now
that's how you make money.
Yeah, that's how we make money. And now we're also using machine learning to develop predictive analytics that help these businesses understand, well, why is this waste happening? Right? Is it the Indian food station? Is it the Chinese food station? Is it on Mondays that you see this huge spike in surplus food? Is it on Fridays? Is it raining outside so employees didn't commute to work or fans didn't go to a game? Like, what is driving this excess? And then giving them the actionable insights they need to reduce overpurchasing and overproduction.